Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a chicken tractor build. I'm going to call it a compact chicken tractor. We're going to do kind of a smaller one just because it fits in my garden a little better, this certain size that I'm going to be putting together. But we have about 10 chickens. We have them permanently in a yard. It's 10 by 20. And we have a lot of dogs around here and we're kind of close to the road, so I keep them in this pen permanently in their run. But I want to get them out and doing stuff for us, fertilizing the ground, killing some weeds, things like that. So I decided to build this chicken tractor to help me out. So I am headed over to this old house in the woods here on our property. This is where we stored some lumber after we built our new house. Got that lumber out of the dumpster and stored it in here. But this is kind of a cool old house. It's a, I think they call it like a dog run house, where the hallway is on the exterior, or it's like, open to the elements. It's like on the inside of the house, but there's no walls or anything. But it's kind of neat. It's kind of fallen down. It's been about, I think it's been here a little over 100 years. They moved it to this location somewhere else on this general land around here. But so we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna go sit you down so I can climb up in here. But we're gonna get some wood out of here. We gotta get some nice straight wood, and hopefully I've got some more left. But so let's get this together. We're gonna bring it over to the barn where all my tools are, and then we'll start putting this together. So let's go see what we can find out. Okay, so this is just a brief overview of what the materials I'm using. I'm using these two 4x4 posts. These are left over from some fencing, and I think I'm going to use those for the bottom, like front and the back. I have some kind of scrap, like kind of dunnage lumber from when we had some stuff delivered, and that'll be for part of the perimeter as well. And then this is 2x4 and 2x6 nailed together. So I'm going to pull those apart and rip those down. I want to build it out of 2x2s. So I'm going to rip those down with the table saw into 2x2s. So everything will be 2x2s except for these 4x4s. That's just because of what I have. And we'll be building some rectangles out of it. So not too hard. So I'm going to be pulling those apart. I do have some chicken wire here. I got 2 foot tall is what I'm going to make the run. Or the tractor is going to be just 2 foot tall. Okay, so I've got a lot of the wood pre-cut. I'm going with 8 foot long, 4 foot wide, 2 foot tall chicken tractor. So what I figured out was 8 foot along both sides and then 4 foot along the front and the back. That's 24 feet. And so I have a 25 foot roll of 2 foot tall chicken wire, so that makes it nice to go around the edges with chicken wire, nice even measurement. So what I did here is these are basically 2x2s for the top and the bottom. I'm going to build each side, and then I'm going to stand them up and then connect them. I figured I'm going to do it that way. So I have it's 2 foot, a little over 2 feet from the top to bottom, and then we'll just screw in these together. Nothing fancy, nothing too complicated. So I'm going to start screwing these together, make both sides, and then I'm going to connect them together. So let's get started doing that. So I want you to be careful. I want you to hold this on the edge, okay? Alright, pull it over to you a little bit more. Keep going a little bit. Make sure it's straight. Alright, something like that. They're about almost an inch long.
Here you go, Peter.
Let me turn these. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video today. We've got a compact chicken tractor in the garden. We got our 4 chickens, 4 of the 10 in here, and I had some help today. We're hoping they're going to be used as kind of a natural way of getting rid of the weeds and fertilizing the garden. So appreciate you sticking around for this video. If you would subscribe to my channel and like this video, and stay in touch for new videos to come. Thank you.
Project 906.